Are you tired of spending hours trying to get the perfect shine on your vehicle? Well, look no further than SONAX Ceramic Spray Coating. This innovative product provides a mirror-like shine and durable protection all in one easy-to-use spray. The specially formulated SI carbon technology not only seals the surface for long-term protection, but it also makes the surface velvety soft to the touch. Not only will your vehicle look amazing, but it will also be protected from contaminants like dirt, grime, and road salt. And with the hydrophobic effect, water will bead up and roll off the surface, helping to prevent water spots. Say goodbye to the time-consuming and difficult process of traditional ceramic coatings and say hello to the convenience of SONAX Ceramic Spray Coating. Not only can it be used as a standalone product, but it can also be used to refresh existing ceramic sealants. Get professional results in half the time and enjoy up to 4 months of protection. Get the shine without the grind with SONAX Ceramic Spray Coating, available at Autogeek.com.